Hiya, my name is Fflur and I'm playing Miss Gulch and the Wicked Witch of the West. Absolutely, I think it's a stellar cast and crew. I think it's going to be super exciting. We've literally just done the first bit of rehearsal and the singing is amazing. Everyone sounds wonderful. I think it's going to be fantastic. Ooh. I think I'm excited to see all of it come together. I know that's pretty, generic, but I think seeing all of the set and the costume and the lights, they're all so iconic, aren't they, and so well known. So yeah, to see it all come together on stage is going to be amazing. Wow, to be honest, she's a pretty intimidating character to get to grips with to a degree, because she's so well known as, this big bad. So sort of playing with that and how and looking at how bad we can make her, how wicked does she need to be for that to translate, thinking about the story and what are the stakes in the story. Is there any reason why she's so bad? All that kind of thing is really interesting to sort of look at. I'd say, yeah, similar to the previous answer, just that she's so wicked, as the name of the role suggests. Just looking at that and how I portray that, and using the physicality and the voice. The voice, I think, as well, is pretty notorious if we're going off, the classic film. So yeah, looking at how that translates to the stage as well, because I think a lot of people recognise the character from the film, and sort of looking at how we build her on stage and how that comes to life. Yeah. I think they should come and see the show, because it's like a staple of the theatre scene here, isn't it? It's, having grown up here and seen summer season after summer season and been blown away by them, especially if you're a young person in the area, I think, and if you're interested in theatre and the arts. It's just such an amazing example of community coming together and just, yeah, everyone working to put this thing together, and it only happens once a year. So just coming to witness that, I think, is super important, and also supporting the production here, because, Aberystwyth, it's, well, to me, it's an iconic place, an iconic building. It's a little bit out of the way maybe, but it's got such an amazing reputation, and supporting that and making sure that that as many people see it as possible feels like, yeah, that should definitely happen. Okay, well, I was going to go for iconic, but I feel like maybe a lot of people will say that. So I'm going to go for classic. That's what I'm going for. Yeah.